Ngwatanĩro ya rũtere rũregani na thirikari tongoretue nĩ Raila ODINGA nĩ umĩrĩtie Kworota Thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kumania na gĩcangasha kĩa maguta kĩrĩa kĩmũrĩkĩte ungumania mũnene kĩrĩ rwang'i rwa MAINYA. ODINGA na ũrĩte thirikari ĩkĩre werũ nĩ barua cia kũrĩkithia ũruti wĩra ũyũ na kĩrĩ maũndũ megiĩ maguta na kĩrombaga rwang'i rwa GUCUNKUNA ungumania nĩru EACC kuba akinya riboti ya ũma ungwa nĩ ũrĩkũ. Anthony Kadenya hatumenyithie nkoroki.
Mutungile wa ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Amolo Odinga akialilia ni kibanti tumuthenya omdi amuja Nairobi ni amenelete thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni kila kugania gutumira itengo ja thirikari kuingia mibango yayo hamwe kujirwa ni cartels kirengo gya thirikari. Raila akiolaga ni kitumi kambuni jayo ndibwa maguta ni jijambele gusoke biolia kagitakala ya Kenya bakule biole bibi kile thirikari nene.
You have reached a situation where oil marketing companies, all with shady histories, feel confident and compelled to answer Kenyans when Kenyans seek answers from their government. This is the clearest indication of state capture and complete takeover by cartels. The cartels speak for the government, and the government speaks for the cartels. We always knew that the legislative arm of the government has been captured by the executive and can no longer perform its oversight role. The response by the leader of majority, therefore, did not come as a complete surprise.
Raila Odinga leo kirege kambuni lego tetukwidhirwa jikiro goribobo wa maguta utongera babalaba inge bungeni nene amona waziri wa MAINYA Davis Chichir kureta kire muingi barwaja wandikaniri kirogo ribobo wa maguta katika ande ya Kenya na ile ya Saudi Arabia.
We are challenging the government to share with Kenyans evidence of payment of oil in Kenya shillings. Show us documents indicating when the payment was made in Kenya shillings, the bank accounts, and the recipients of the payment. This regime has told Kenyans so many fictitious stories that only documentary evidence will help the country separate fact from fiction.
Mweno gu wakagitaka mutongero jwa ngwatanĩro Azimio Raila Odinga ni aulitite ngoja usonkoni kilitomilibwa mbese ja mwingi ile EPRA obisi ya mutari madhabu madhirikali hamwe na EACC kurutangu yao ya kikatiba na kudhidha sonkoni kile neno na kwelidhia Kenya kila kudina mbele.
In light of this development, I'm today calling on some 3 specific institutions that are paid by the Kenyan taxpayer to exercise their mandate and get to the bottom of this saga as follows. The CS for Energy and Petroleum, Mr. Chirchir, and National Treasury, CS, Njuguna Ndungu, have certainly committed criminal offenses, abused office, and gone against the Constitution. They stole money from the consolidated fund in addition to spending money way above what Parliament approved.
Mamuji munana Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kadenya.